Welcome to Belgrade Steel Tank. Today we will demonstrate the proper installation procedure for the auger extension and the screw-style leveling jacks. Begin by removing the end cap from the primary auger. Once the auger extension has been removed from the transport brackets, proceed by removing the shipping cover plate from the discharge outlet and reinstall the flanged boot collar assembly. Remove the shipping end cap from the opposite end of the auger extension. You are now ready to install the auger extension. This installation will be best performed using two people. Begin by inserting the splined shaft into the splined coupler. Note that this splined shaft floats within the coupler and it will not be attached in any way. Proceed to lift the auger extension into place and slide it over the splined shaft. Continue the installation by bolting the two flanges together. Once this connection is complete, test the auger system for correct operation before the silo is filled. We will now demonstrate the leveling jack installation process. Note that the leveling jacks are shipped in a common tote at the rear of the silo. Remove the leveling jacks from the tote and place each one by the corners of the silo. Use the single-speed jack to raise or lower the front of the silo far enough to slide the screw jack under the mounting assembly. Remove the pin from the mounting assembly. Insert the screw jack and reinstall the pin. Continue this process for the remaining screw jacks. Use the adjusting rod to raise and lower the jacks. Level the silo from side to side and from front to back. Once the silo is leveled, tighten the set screw on the jack to prevent it from moving. Now that the auger extension has been installed and the silo has been properly leveled, you are now ready to begin using your silo.